So today I'm going to be demonstrating the app that I'm using to having my students work through, and it's called Socrative. And so basically, this is what the menu looks like. It's what a teacher's menu looks like. There's 6 different options. You were able to use each option and kind of navigate your own way of how you want to give out lessons or quizzes, tests, stuff like that. Make things interesting for your students. I'll kind of just go over, obviously, everyone kind of has an idea what a quiz, multiple choice, and true and false looks like. I'll kind of go over short answers, space, race, and exit ticket. And so for exit ticket, this is what it look like. So I'll come here, I'll click exit ticket, and this will be my menu here. So as a student, you can go on your phone or the tablet device that we will be using, and you will type up on the internet Socrative, and you would do a student login. Once you do that, it will just take you to a menu where it says the room name, and this is the room code here. So I will put this in my phone right now, and I will join the class. And so once you join, it will ask to put your name. So I'll just put my name down and click done. And so now on my screen as a student, it's going to ask me 3 questions. And these are what the questions will look like. So it is how well you understand today's material? What did you learn in today's class? And then please answer teacher's question. If I have one on the board, then they will kind of just discuss that. So back to the results table here. And so as a student, I'm going to say today I totally got it. And so I'm going to submit my answer there. I'm going to explain that what I learned in class today. So to properly So I'm going to submit my answer for that one as well. And then it's the teacher's question. For the question, I would just say rate the class 1 out of 10 today. So do that, just put 10. So that'd be a completed. And so these would all be graded based off of this. And so I can go through, everything will be kind of blocked out, but I can show the names of the student who did it, show their answers, kind of just go through this for all of these. And then I'm able to show the results, and then it'll get the scores here based off of what I'm requiring. It will give them a certain percentage of what it is, and then I can go through this, look at that for their grade, and input that. So that will be what an exit ticket looks like. If I go back to space race, it will be this. So this, for example, would be a word facts quiz. And so it is just a number of teams, how many teams you want, up to 20. So we'll just do 2. You can do required name, shuffle questions, answers, however you want to do it. So it's different. Icons can be anything. And then a countdown, depending on like how long you want a question to be, but we'll just do none for now. We'll click start. And so it will look like this. And basically the same menu for the student. You'll put down your name. And so you'll just go through and click your answers and do whatever. So I'll just do this very quickly. Once you get one right, the icon will go forward. So we can do different teams, have different students kind of compete in a way. And so let's do these 5 questions real quick. Do all this stuff, and then do this again. And so I'll just do all my 5, click finish. I want to end the activity, everyone's done. I come through here, you can see what they got right, what they got wrong. Go through the questions, same thing. It's all pretty self-explanatory. And the same with the short answers. So for this, I will do an optional question. However, whatever I'm wanting to ask, and then with that question, then usually I'll use my short answer box here to be kind of for them to explain or upload their assignments, their activities, stuff that they found interesting or stuff that they want me to look over for them. And so it can be all unanimous, so no one will see their names and stuff besides me. And just kind of just have a free area to kind of just talk about whatever along the content that is related to what we were discussing, stuff like that. And so this is kind of just the navigation menu here. I can look at live results when people are in the class and doing stuff. There's reports about the activities we've done, and I can go look at just their grades and all of that. There's a room that I've created, And then if there's stuff I want to discover or look at outside of my class, I can do that also and kind of look up different things throughout here. And then the library, just kind of what I already have uploaded for myself from a website. And yeah, and that's about it. And so that should be